Hello and welcome all. I'm Dr. Aruna. Today we will look into the mental reasons behind heart and lungs problems. Whenever there is a physical problem, its origin is always in the deep recess of our mind. So even if we take medicines, the problems recur again and again. These meditations will slowly but surely help you to change these patterns or programs, creating imbalance which are stored unconsciously in your belief system. So, let us look into the deep-rooted programs creating heart and lungs problems. Your lungs represent ability to take in life. Any problem in lung indicates inability to breathe for yourself, feeling suppressed, feeling like crying. Sometimes it is depression or grief. In extreme cases, feeling not worthy of living a full life. Your heart is the center of love and security. Any problem in your heart indicates you are squeezing out joy from your life in favor of maybe money or position or rat race. Sometimes it is long-standing emotional issues or hardening of the heart. With this 7-minute meditation, you will be able to replace these habitual thought patterns with joyful, positive thoughts to live this precious life fully. God bless you. All the best. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get new videos as and when I upload them. Thank you. Select a quiet place and relax. Bring your awareness inside your body. Take a deep breath while exhaling. Relax stress, tension, and worries. Take another deep breath while exhaling. Relax completely. Now bring your awareness inside your heart. Observe your heart and lungs. Be grateful and loving. Imagine a white light is coming from the sky and covering your heart and lungs. Now it is flushing off all the pain, grief, depression, fears. Keep on releasing. I let go of all the pain and grief from the past. I let go of all the pain and grief from the present. Feel this light flushing off all the toxins from your heart, cleansing your heart and lungs. See your heart and lungs filled with this pure light, illuminated inside, outside. Now start affirming in your mind, this is a new moment and I release the past with love and blessings. Feel your heart is filled with love and happiness. This is a new moment. I release the past with love and blessings. This is a new, fresh moment. I release the past with love and blessings. I lovingly allow joy to flow through my mind, body, and experience. Feel happiness and joy flowing through your heart and circulating throughout your body. Feel it. Feel the excitement of love and joy and happiness. I lovingly allow joy and happiness to flow through my mind, body, and experience. Your entire body is filled with this happiness and joy. I lovingly allow joy and happiness to flow through my mind, body, and my experiences. Feel this joy and happiness flowing from inside of you and permeating in your outside life. It is safe for me to take charge of my life. I breathe freely and fully. Take one deep breath and say, it is safe for me to take charge of my life. I breathe freely and fully. Completely relax. It is safe for me to take charge of my life. I breathe freely and fully. Feel oxygen circulating throughout your body, releasing all the toxins, filling you with happiness and joy. I am safe. I express love to all. Feel this loving light is covering you from inside outside. You are extending this love to everyone around you. I am safe. I express my love to all. I am safe. I express my love to all. Feel you are completely filled with this divine love. I am safe. I trust the process of life. Trust universe. Trust your life. It is helping you to grow. Just open your heart and declare, I am safe. I trust the process of life. Feel it. I am safe. I trust the process of life. Feel this love, this trust flowing throughout your body. Your heart is filled with radical forgiveness and love. I am free, free, free. Release all the chains binding you to your past, your pain, your grief. Release them. Slowly come back to your breathing and open your eyes when you feel complete.